Africa Health is the biggest industry event on the African continent, and Germany has a very strong commitment to help African countries to strengthen their healthcare systems. So the German Pavilion, which you can see in the background, is a perfect example for carrying out this aim. Here we have, I think, our 7th anniversary in 2018 with German medtech companies presenting their products and services. I think this year it's a new record. We have 23 companies here, and they offer a really broad range of new intelligent solutions for healthcare.
Well, this year the visitors can expect a broad range of German products, state-of-the-art, for example, from the surgical instruments towards endoscopic equipment, but also e-health technologies. We are here from the German Association Spectaris for Medical Technologies and from Health Made in Germany, which is the export initiative of the German government, to answer your questions regarding all the market issues, and also if you need further contact information about other companies, well, we are here to help you.
As a premiere this year, we are having delegation tours, which is happening right now here, where we invited visitors to walk along with us to have exhibitors presenting their products at their booth, which is followed by a networking reception at the information counter. We have extensive market information, not just about medical technology, but other segments as well, which is the pharmaceutical sector, medical biotechnology, but also digital health. You can find that on our website. We also have a number of networking events where you can find potential partners, potential suppliers from Germany. And of course, we offer other tools to identify companies you want to work with, which is, for example, company directories. And of course, we are always available for questions at our website or email www.healthmadeingermany.com.